Hello, so I wanted to quickly show off how to use the Grepper Teams. So from your Grepper extension, you can just jump into My Teams. If you're already in your backend portal, you can just go to your account section and click Teams, and then you'll see your Grepper Teams right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click into this team. If you don't already have a team, you can just add a new team. One thing I would say is you put a team name, description, and make sure you get a good avatar for the team. It matters because, well, I'll show you in a second why it matters. And then you can also add members when you create a team. I'll show you a little bit more how to do that here. But so I've already created this team. This is just the Grepper devs at Grepper. And you can see we have all these developers, so you can add team members here. And the way this works is you can either, if they're a Grepper member, you can just type either their Grepper username or their real name, or if you know their email address, you can use that. One thing with the email address is if you do use an email address, you can see that you can actually invite them if they're not already on Grepper. If they are already on Grepper, then you'll just be able to invite them. But if not, you can just invite and it'll send to their email and they'll get an invitation to join Grepper and to join your team. So your team members won't show up here until they've accepted your invite. But once they do, they'll show up here. Uh, so the way that Teams works, it's basically just a way that Grepper users can create teams and share answers. So you can see here we have this Grepper team and we have various answers that we might use for kind of specific to the development we do on Grepper. So the way it works is after you create a team and add members and you Google a problem, this is kind of the example problem I like to use, JavaScript remove last character from string. What you can do is when you're adding a problem, you'll see that your the team avatars show up here. And if you want to add an answer to that team, you just select it. You can see I'm going to select the Grepper team here, and there's just another test team. And I'll save. And this way, whenever anyone else runs into this problem, the Grepper answer is actually going to be prioritized. I mean, the team answer, the Grepper team answer here is going to be prioritized for anyone on this team. So that's basically how it works. And you can also edit it and add to more teams. I'll just add it to both teams right now. And then you can see, you can also just click this icon and it'll jump you right into the team profile. And then we can view the team answers. And there's my test answer right there. And so this, you can see we have some answers in here already just from kind of coding and running into problems. So that's the basics of how Teams works. Thanks so much, and as always, we want feedback, so if you guys have any other ideas, we'll be happy to add more features and functionalities to the Teams system as it grows out. Thanks so much. Bye for now.